Hey, what's up everybody? Did you know that 96,000 people move to Las Vegas every single year? The question is why? Well, due to the Fed's interest rate hikes have increased the cost of living for many Americans across the country. Americans are now looking to relocate to Las Vegas because of no state income tax, low unemployment, low cost of living, and affordability for housing. We're also the entertainment capital of the world. So if you are thinking about relocating to Las Vegas, we would like to offer you a free Southern Nevada market report and a relocation guide. All you have to do is click on that link below to claim yours today. All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. First time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits Krulsawat. I'm a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Been serving now the community for about 15 years, or maybe 14 going on 15, I don't know. Real quick, here's a flight path. Obviously this is a Delta, as you can see. So if you buy out here, make sure check your federal and local aviation as far as the flight path. So the neighborhood I'm in, which is the Carlton. Now we already toured these two different models here. Whenever you have some free time, go back and watch these videos, okay? Because I want to know what your thoughts are about this. This builder is actually a Lennar build. What you see is what you get, okay? And typically, Lennar, they really cater to like first-time home buyers or people that just don't have a vision of, you know, building their home from ground up. They want to touch, see, and feel. This is what you'll get right here. So we are in the master plan community of Cadence, located in the city of Henderson on the east side of the Las Vegas Valley, less than 15 minutes from Harry Reid International. Now, if you guys want to get in on the greatest deal because you guys want to ride the wave of equity, you always want to be the first person to come into the track because they increase the price every time they release a new lot and they sell it. They watch the market. If there's a demand, they increase the price, increase the price, increase the price. Okay, so this one right here, Cooper, 1,561 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, as you can see. One thing I do like about this is that this 2-car garage, look at the driveway. You can actually fit 2 more cars here, so you have a nice depth right here. You have a balcony right here, which is really nice. That looks like it's probably the primary. So let's go inside and let's go take a look. So we got some beautiful stack stone here. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how you doing, man?
Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Just made my job a lot easier.
You need the other ones open?
No, I already went through those. I appreciate it, though.
Yeah, no worries, guys. What's up, guys?
Okay, so first thing I noticed, 9-foot ceilings, which is really nice. We have the orange peel texture, straight edge cornering, 3-inch straight edge on the baseboards. Here, 18 by 18 porcelain tile, which kind of gives you that marble concrete type of look, which is, I do like this one. 3/8 on the grout line. So as you can see, it all kind of blends in until you get very close, okay? Formal dining. I love how we have a staircase in the back. Now, you guys probably seen these models in the past in different locations. Lennar pretty much builds the same models throughout the country. Look at the setback on this backyard. Believe it or not, this is a pretty nice backyard. Imagine doing like a pool over there on that corner. Love that deck here. I mean, this is just very low maintenance and very simple. However, the sun's going to be beating on this side, so oh my God, I was just actually calling a friend. Butt dial. Notice I've been coughing a little bit lately. About to go on this trip to Hawaii, so I can't wait. So by the time this video is released, I'm probably on my way to Hawaii. Right now, I am batching a bunch of videos, which means I'm shooting a bunch of videos. So that way, once I'm on vacation, you know, every day there's gonna be a new release. So we have 42 upper cabinets, 3-inch on the crown, okay? These are not soft closing cabinets. You're fine. No, you're fine, you're fine.
We're out of here.
All good, brothers. All right, so the layout on this one, I'm gonna say this is probably by far the best out of the two that we've toured, I'm thinking. It's functional. So here's your pantry. Then we have our guest bathroom. Now I'm going to blast through this one a little bit quickly because I do have a frame walk that I have to meet a client. And if you guys don't know what a frame walk is, before they do the drywall, this is where I will meet up with the client, take the electrical diagram and all the upgrades that we have done, walk through the property, and make sure we have all electrical installed from high to low voltage, all our plumbing. And if we miss anything, then we let the builder know, hey, don't forget to install this. Also, one of the things important when you do that frame walk, if you're doing your 4-can lighting, you need to make sure it's symmetrically placed, because once they drywall it, right, it may not be symmetrical to your dining room. Oh man, I don't know why that thing is kicking off like that. You're drawing a lot of amperage. And another thing I like to do on the frame walk is take a lot of pictures. Reason why is because any future litigation, okay, with a contractor, now you can show the pictures and you have evidence instead of busting up all your drywall. And not only that, what you want to do is you want to make sure that if you're hanging something or your contractor's taking down a wall, oh, we don't have a drain pan. Don't like that. I prefer to have a drain pan. Attic access. The reason why you want to take pictures, so that way if you're moving walls or something, now your contractor can see exactly what's behind the wall. Or if you're looking to hang a TV, okay? I'm gonna give you a quick tip. Also, during the frame walk, if you know you're gonna hang a flat screen TV, take a 2x12 and have it mounted in the back, so that way you have a way to screw it in. Because if you look at the studs are set at 16 inches, and if you're gonna put a wall mount, it may not reach that stud. Does that make sense? So you put a wall mount, but your wall mount for your TV may be only 12 inches wide. But if you put a 2x6 in the back of it from stud to stud, it doesn't matter where you put it now. You have something solid to mount it to. That's just a quick tip. So right here we have smoke detector, carbon monoxide. Let's take a look at the primary. Yep, the primary is in the front here. Pretty decent size. I do like the 6-panel door, even though it's 6'8" here. But I mean, look at this. Like literally, this probably only costs them like 50 cents for this, right? Or maybe even less, because understand they're ordering hundreds of thousands of these. Now on their top tier homes, you know, at the 2 million, they're not going to use that type of product. They're going to use better product, but at 2 million, you got to see what you get for 2 million. So in this one, excuse me, fiberglass, bench seat, undermounted, okay. Love the fact that, you know, we have some light here, but it's not a window. Show you guys the balcony here. All right, that's pretty much it for this video home tour, guys. I gotta get out of here. I got a client I gotta go represent. All right, guys. I just want to say this. I appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, click that subscribe button. Okay. Look, if you're looking to purchase a home, out here in Las Vegas, I'm gonna tell you this. When it comes to representation, education, walking clients through the process, really helping people, I'm your guy, okay? I do this 7 days a week. This is what I love. I love everything about homes. Anything to do with homes, I love. At the end of the day, I want to help you transition to Las Vegas. Now, if you're just getting started, first-time home buyer, give us a call. We would love the opportunity to do a buyer consultation and explain to you exactly how everything works. Other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.